Hello, you're still with us. That's so impressive. We're doing another Chasing Waterfalls. We are actually chasing waterfalls because I'm impressed you came back after last week. We're hoping to find waterfalls this week in our incredibly dry season here in BC. We're going to Bowen Park this week in Nanaimo BC. We're looking for 4 waterfalls today, but it's dry season, so we're not sure if we're gonna find any. So we are off to our second waterfalls for today. Fingers crossed that there's enough waters for waterfalls. Maybe if we go over there and film the water slide, we'll get a waterfall. You know, sometimes they throw water off a water slide. Okay, if you were a waterfall in Bowen Park, where do you think you would be? No idea. You think we're getting warmer?
Duck pond there.
Duck pond. Would you like to see a duck pond? Okay, good news. Double good news. We've got running water. Yay! And we just talked to some people here, and there is a falls here. And it's going to be a light falls, but it exists this time of year even. So I'm feeling much more optimistic. And we've got blackberries here too. Get those, Tim. I want that one up there.
That's it.
Yes, I have the car keys. Good question, though.
Next level.
Yay, it exists and it's super cute and pretty. And completely redeems themselves. Woohoo! I mean, it's summertime and it's pretty dry here, so that was a really pretty falls. We're gonna have to come back and do these in the winter. You know, Tim said, I don't want to do waterfalls in the winter, it's cold, but...
I said that?
You did, you said, I want to be doing these in the summer. But I think they're going to be way more epic in the winter, so we could do round 2 in the winter.
Yeah, let us know if that's what you'd like to see in the winter.
Yeah, we'll do round 2 in the winter. Oh, we'll have to get winter tires though, so we can leave Victoria. There's lots of reasons why we were doing it this way, I'm remembering now. Anyway, Bowen Park is super pretty. It's like the Beacon Hill Park of Nanaimo.
You know what it reminds me of?
What?
When I was a kid, and we first moved to Canada, we had an outdoor swimming pool called, it wasn't Bardia. I can't remember the name of this pool. Anyway, up in Camp Gordon, up in north of Toronto, and it was just like the hot spot for all the kids to come.
Yeah.
And everybody would show up, and I wasn't allowed to go unless I learned how to swim. So my parents put me on the swim team, and then that was it.
That's
but
awesome.
when I saw that was quite reminiscent of my first experience of Canada, grade 5.
Most towns have them. I think it just doesn't get hot enough in Victoria. See, we're far enough north here on the island. They get warmer summers probably up here.
Maybe that's what it is, because there isn't an outdoor pool that I've found in Victoria.
No. Okay, so thanks so much for watching this vlog. Yay for finding a waterfall. Say Bowen Park Falls is pretty in the comments. Give us a thumbs up. Thanks for subscribing, and we appreciate your support so much. We'll see you next week for another waterfalls. I'm feeling a lot more confident now.